guys, welcome back to my channel. I just thought I'd come on here kind of quick tonight and go over a couple of things. I just got back from the beach yesterday. So, well, beach. It was kind of a girls' weekend and we went to Destin. We only actually went out on the beach once, but it's fine. It was relaxing and we had fun and it was a great time. So I thought I would come on here and go over sunscreen. I kind of wanted to film something while I was gone. I just never had the chance. We were busy all weekend. So I'm just gonna come on here and talk about sunscreen with you guys for a minute. I guess you could call this like my sunscreen holy grail. I don't know. I really only use one particular brand because I have incredibly sensitive skin. But I will go over a couple others that I think are also great. I just don't use them due to my skin issues. So the first brand I'm going to talk about is Coola. It's C-O-O-L-A. I don't actually use this brand. It doesn't work so well with my special skin. But overall, it's a really great brand. I got this in my FabFitFun box and I gave it to my sister, but she's letting me use it for this video. This, it's just a white tea smelling sunscreen. It's really nice. It's just the classic white, rubs in. It's pretty thin feeling for a sunscreen. So if you don't like your sunscreen really thick, then this is going to be really nice for you because it kind of applies like a moisturizer versus like sunscreen. But it's, I mean, it's great. It's a sport, so it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. I'm not really sure how much this runs for because like I said, I got it in my FabFitFun, but I'll try and link it below so you can check it out if you're interested. And then the brand that I swear by and use every single day is Supergoop. It's not cheap, but it works really great for my skin. So I like to use the Superscreen Daily Moisturizer SPF 40, which you've probably seen me talk about this before. This is great. It's a moisturizing sunscreen as well. See it. This is more like a cream versus like a lotion moisturizer. So you kind of apply it. It feels more like a sunscreen, but it doesn't really smell like sunscreen, so it's really nice in that. And it applies on really nice and smooth. Gives you overall coverage for your face. I put this on every day before I put on my makeup, and I love it. They also have the Unseen Sunscreen. This is water resistant for 40 minutes. This is also water resistant for 40 minutes. And this is a weightless, colorless, scentless, oil-free formula. And it applies as a, like a primer for your face. It's really great. It's, let me squeeze them out. It's clear-ish, like clearish yellow. And it's a matte finish. So you put it on, it feels like primer. Doesn't really smell like sunscreen. It applies nice, gives you a nice base for your makeup. I don't use this one so much all the time because I just really like this one and my other primers. But if I just, you know, run out to the beach, pool, outside, this is really good. And then for that's what I use for my face. For my for the rest of my body, I use the Superpower Sunscreen Mousse. It's I cannot speak tonight. It's a broad spectrum SPF 50. It's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. And this is really fun. It comes out like a mousse. Like light and fluffy and mousse-like. I don't know if you can really see it, kind of, but it comes out, I mean, you're gonna think hair mousse when you see it. Yeah, and it doesn't really smell like sunscreen that much either, honestly, which is nice. And so I use this everywhere else. Doesn't go on my face, then I'm using this. And it's nice because it lasts a long time. With the Mousse, you're not using like as much, but you're still getting the same kind of coverage, so that's really nice. And then as far as like makeups with sunscreen, I usually always have makeup with sunscreen, because I just don't like to buy it if it doesn't include sunscreen that much. It's my Ashley Sievert, but it's only SPF 15, and as fair as I am, I need more than that, so that's why I would put this one first. But if I don't want to put sunscreen on before my makeup, then I'm going to use my It Cosmetics CC cream because it's SPF 50. And that's really great because I can just put it on as like foundation. I use this as foundation versus CC cream because it's that good. I just put it on as like normal foundation and go, and I'm protected. And then if you want to reapply, I gotta find it. I like to reapply my sunscreen. If you're already wearing makeup and you want to reapply, there's like the hassle of like, oh well, how do I reapply it if I already have my makeup on? And that's where they make these really, sorry, I dropped everything. They make these really cool invisible setting powder. Supergoop makes it, but other brands have it as well. This is 100% mineral and sweat resistant. It's SPF 45. My lid broke, so it's the little lid. It says hello sunshine, and it's a powder form, and the powder just kind of falls out, and I can just put it on top and keep going. They also make makeup setting sprays, and those are pretty good. I don't particularly enjoy them because I've had like a couple reactions with my skin with them, so I don't know if there's like an ingredient in them my skin just doesn't like. But if your skin's not that sensitive, then I would highly recommend getting a makeup setting spray. If your skin's super sensitive like mine, then go with the setting powder. And I just, whenever I need to reapply, I just pull it out and put it on and go. I don't have to worry about my makeup. I don't have to worry about how it's gonna look because it's in a powder and it just goes on top and everything stays set in place. So those are my sunscreens for you. If you're looking for like some more inexpensive options, Neutrogena has some really good options. I just can't use them due to my skin, but a lot of people I know use them and love their products, so definitely look at Neutrogena. I'll link everything that I showed you down below. Also, I'll link a couple of others that I would recommend. I just don't use them due to my skin, but I know people who love them. But basically, Supergoop's my for life friend. It doesn't bother me, it doesn't irritate me, so I'm gonna stick with that. But if you have a sunscreen that you like, maybe I didn't mention, just drop it in the comments, let me know. If you could get this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post videos when I feel like it, so hopefully I'll get this one out to you later this week. And then I'm going to have some videos talking about eyeliner coming soon, because I just kind of figured out a really good way to do a winged liner. So I'm gonna give you a couple options on winged liners. I also just figured out how to put on false lashes, so look for a false lash video in the future as well. If there's anything that you would really like to see, put that in the comments too. I'm always up for suggestions and ideas, and I would love to hear what you want to see. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.